Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be unboxing this portable power bank by INIU. This one, it's a 100 watt, 225,000 milliamp hours. Usually, power bank like this, companies give you like 1 year warranty and maybe 2 max, but this company actually give you guys 3 years. So they actually, standing behind the products. Otherwise, why would they give you such a long warranty, right? And on the back of the box, it has their support email, so support@inu.shop, and give you the official website as well too for Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as well. And they said on here that they usually respond within 24 hours, so which is good. And let's unbox it and let's see what it does. And then afterwards, I'm going to use this to charge my phone and also my tablet, which is my iPad Pro, 4th generations. And then at the end, I'll give you my thoughts on the product itself. So this is the back, the tab here, we just, okay, it didn't do smoothly, there we go. All right. Oh wow, very inside. What does it have inside? Let's see. This one, I think sticker or something. Instruction and a pouch, right? All right, so nothing left in the box. That's the box. Put the box away over there. And what we have inside the box is, let's rip it open. It's quite heavy, pretty nice, seems very solid. All right, so fast charge power bank by INIU, right? It has a LCD screens over here. And the top part, we got what? We got 100 watt in and out. It can charge your laptop, your iPads, and then has a 45 watts, and then it has an 18 watts, like an older USB type A, right? And total 2 and 3 would be what, like 15 watts total, and there's 100 watts, and they're all around. Then on the back, it has more information. I don't know, a lot. I'm not gonna read it. But let's power it up. Let's see what happened. Don't tell me, oh, there you go. It actually, I don't know if you can see, but 47% charge. Yeah, 47% charge. And, okay, put it aside. What else does it come with? It comes with this user manual. Go greener with INIU. Right, so 100%. So usually before you charge anything, you want to charge up the power bank up to 100%. And over here it tells you, use a suitable USB port to charge the device. And this one is in, I don't know, maybe in French or something. But over here, 3 years warranty, lifetime support, which is great, right? And they give you on the back here, like how you do get a hold of the company. So this port here, to charge it, you can just charge out, in and out. So we can use a USB Type-C to charge up the power bank with this port right here. So after this, I'm gonna charge it up to 100%, right? And then we're gonna test it out. But that's it. And then what is this one? Transparency. Scan the barcode on the seal sticker by Amazon's or verify authenticity. Where is it? Somewhere back there in the back of the box. All right. Then it has a USB Type-C, both ends. All right. And then it comes with this cute little pouch. All right. Put it in. Safe and secure. There you go. And then you put it in your purse, your bag. Yeah, it's really this is a really soft pouch. Really nice. Right? So I'm going to charge up the power bank to 100% and then I'm going to test it. So as you can see, right now I'm charging it with this charger has 90 watts. So into this little power bank here. So it started off with like 47%. And now it's already up like to 49%. So 95 watt charging is just to be really fast. It should be fast. So it was, when it was at 47%, it was at 218. Now it's 233 and it's at 65%. So that's pretty fast. So right now it's 90% and it's 256. Right now we're at 99%. 307, right? Focus, 307. We're at 99%. So we started this one at 218 with 47%, and now it's at 99%. Almost there. Okay, so it's finally hit 100% at 328. From 99% to 100%, it's like 15 minutes. Super crazy. All right, so my wife's phone is iPhone 13 Pro Max. Is pretty much dead. So I'm gonna use this one and we're gonna charge it. And the time right now is 3:31. Let's see how long it's gonna take. 331, 0%, and the power bank is 100%. All right, guys, so right now it's 30 minutes exactly, and the power bank, is 39, it's down to 5%. And you can see here, 23%. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's actually 23%, right? So 30 minutes and it's up to 23% already. All right, so we're gonna wait until more and down to 5% on the power bank. I don't know if you can see, but it's 65% now. And on the power bank, it shows 84. And the time right now is 5 o'clock. So right now it's at 76% on the power bank, and we are at 95% on the phone. Almost there. Right now it's at 74%, and it's at 99%, and time is 6:36. All right, guys, so right now it's 6:50, and it just hit 100%, and it's down to 74% on the power bank, which is not bad. So basically this thing, you can charge maybe like 4 times of this iPhone 13 Pro Max. All right, guys, so yesterday I actually did the test on this power bank, and it from 0 to 100%, the power bank only loses 25%. So basically you can charge 4 times with this power bank. All right, so which is awesome. So here I'm gonna just show you like some of the pictures, what it can do. So this has 100 watts fast charges, so it can charge your laptop, your MacBook Pro, 30 minutes to 50%, which is awesome. Right, here you go. And iPhone 15, 65% in 30 minutes. And the Samsung Ultra 23, it's 30 minutes. It's going to charge up to 71%, which is awesome. This device pretty much is compatible with any of the devices out there that you can think of. All right, so you can put this in your pocket, your purse, anywhere. And this is the airline approved, which is very, very important. You can, it's so small, so portable. And not only that, but it looks really nice to hold and carry on. It's not like an ugly piece of thing, you know. It is really nice. And it does come with the pouch as well, too. So here I give you what it can charge of the other devices. For example, the MacBook Pro 14 in like 0.9 charge, iPhone 15 3.9, Samsung Ultra 3 times, and then the iPad Pro M2 1.6, and so on. We know about this one. All right. And these are all the compatibility. You can even charge for the drone as well, too. And as you're going to go down over here, you're going to see right now there's a 10% off. As you can see, you can get it for $59 with this. All right. I'll leave all the information in the description for you, so that way I'll make it easy for you if you do decide to make a purchase. And if you do purchase from the online link, from the Amazon, I do get a little percentage of a commission. And thank you for doing that. All right. All right, guys. So my overall about this little portable thing, I really love it. This one is really nice. I as a matter of fact, I love the color. You see my watch. You know, I love bright colors. And this, it has a little display for you too, and it tells you how much it has left, 74% from the last charge that we did. So if you're in the need for like something portable to charge your drones, your devices, your camera, your GoPro, any stuff like that, your cell phone, your iPad, your MacBook Pro, this thing can do it all, right? And right now there's like a 10% off. You can get it for $59 on Amazon, guys. So I'll leave everything in there for you. So but that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask it, leave it in the comment below. But other, be safe. Till next time.